chose scenario one, and the first issue that I have with this situation is the fact that my son left school. School is very important to me, and there's no excuse on why he should be leaving school. The second issue that I have is what happens if I need to get him from school and I'm unable to get him. I would not know where he is or how to get a hold of him. The school is liable for his well being until he gets home. He is also in possession of an airsoft gun that he should not have. Then he's shooting it at a park on top of that. Someone could have called the police, turned him in, and he would have been in even more trouble than he was initially in. For his punishments, he would be grounded from going out and seeing his friends for at least a month. His phone would get taken away, and we'd have to do various projects around the house as part of that punishment. He needs to understand what he did was serious. He has a job to do, which is going to school. He needs to do that job the best he can to help prepare him for his future. There is time to have fun, and there is time to get things done. He just needs to understand the difference between the two.